be here with a video for Kat Scrappiness, and today I am going to show you the upcoming new release, which I am so excited because there's so many possibilities for creating with these products. These products are gonna be in the Kat Scrappiness shop this Friday the 6th after 7 p.m. Pacific time, and oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you. So the first thing being released is the Pirate Quokkas, and it has 9 stamps that are so cute, and it has the little complement stamps that you can create backgrounds and all with your cards, or you can complement your cards with those as well. I am gonna do a close-up here so you can see them all. Oh my goodness, it is so exciting for me to create with these. I love creating, and these stamps are so cute. And then you also can get the outline dies for the Pirate Quokkas. This is a must-have, you guys, because who wants to fuzzy cut, right? I love outline dies. I always get them with all my stamps. Then you have the super fun pirate sentiments, like too cute to walk the plank, ahoy matey, surrender your booty. I love that so much. Blimey, you're all. I just love these sentiments so much, and you can use them with all your makes with the pirates. And then you get also the Pirate Quokkas, which they are double-sided 6x6 cardstock papers. I'm gonna open these to show you. So with these papers you get 4 of each design. Look at these, oh my gosh, so cute. And then you get the anchors in the back. I love the kind of like solid ones to complement. So you get those 4. And then this other one, absolutely love. Look at the little crab, it's so cute. I love it. And then you get, of course, this one right here. 4 of those as well. Then this one is absolutely gorgeous. Love this one. And this is the back side or the front, which is amazing as well. Then this one right here, which is a compass. Amazing. Oh my goodness. By the way, this is the first time that I'm seeing these papers with you. I wanted to really show my excitement with the papers, and I love paper, guys. Paper is like, oh, my weakness, I think, and I never want to use it. Then you have this other one. This is so stinking cute. And then, ooh, I love that burgundy red one. I love that. And of course you get as well 4 of those. And then you get this one, pretty cool. And this is the back of that paper. Now for your inspiration and get you excited about this release, the design team has created such amazing cards, you guys, and I have some in my head and I am going to share with you. So this one was created by Jennifer, and Jennifer used the Pirate Quokkas stamp set, the Pirate Sentiment stamps, the Pirate Quokkas paper pad, Revere Stitch Scallops die, the Cast a Spell dies, the Double Stitch ovals, Skull and Crossbones sprinkle mix, which she used for the rum bottles, which I think it's genius because this is a toss-up, right? Is it rum or is it poison? So I love it so much. She colored her Quokka. Love this card. Then we have another gorgeous card here, and this card was made by Julie, and Julie used the Pirate Quokka stamp set, the Pirate Sentiment stamps, the A2 water slide background die, the Underwater Adventure background die, and look, I think she added some stickles. Oh my goodness, I just love how she did this scene is absolutely gorgeous. Then we have this other one as well by Julie, and Julie used for this card the Pirate Quokka stamp, the Pirate Quokka pattern paper, the wavy nesting craft dies, the Under the Seas stamp set, and the Tropical Island die set. She colored it so beautifully. I love this card too. Then I have a few cards to show you by design team member Crafty Bow, and she has created a shaker card, my favorite type of card. This is a clean and simple, and it's so pretty in person. I don't know if video do justice to these cards. Look how gorgeous that detail right there. And for this card she used the Pirate Quokka stamp, the Pirate Quokka's coordinating craft dies, the Pirate sentiments, the edge circle dies, the crossbone sprinkles, the shimmering onyx sprinkles, and the white diamond sequence. Look how fun! I love it. And I know I said I love a shaker card, and I do, that one that I just showed you, but look at this work of art. Guys, this is fantastic. She did so good with this, so creative. Oh my goodness, absolutely love it. And for this one she used the Pirate Quokka stamp, the Pirate Quokka's coordinating craft dies, the Pirate sentiments, the Pirate Quokka 6x6 premium cardstock, the Stitch Speech Bubbles craft dies, the A2 film strip craft dies. And she's so creative, you guys, because she used that A2 film strip for the border right here for her boat. How amazing is this? Oh my goodness, so good. And then she also used the simple sentiments. And the last card I have to show you is this one, also by Crafty Bow, and she has used the Pirate Quokkas stamp set, the Pirate Quokkas coordinating craft dies, the Pirate sentiments stamp set, the Stitch Speech Bubbles craft die, wavy nesting dies, the Pirate Quokka double-sided premium cardstock, and the crossbone sprinkles. Oh my goodness, I can see she has used some ink as well. It looks so fantastic. This is amazing, you guys. And here you have it, all the cards that I have from the design team that have made with the new release that be in the shop this Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific time. Don't miss it. Let me know in the comments if you'll be getting this release, and I will see you next time.